Hi, it's Angeline. I have a brand new crafty video with Unity stamp today, and I'm gonna show you how to create this gold and glitter wedding card. So I'm starting off with this and all the things stamp set by Unity Stamp. I've already stamped the Mr. and Mrs. and the cute little hearts. And I'm grabbing the Gansai Tambi starry colors, which is some gold metallic paints here, to paint in this piece of card. I wanted everything to be gold and glittery for this wedding card, so I didn't want any white empty spaces. So I'm just going to use the watercolors and just paint the background in. Next, I'm grabbing this Viva Decor glitter pan, which is this gold metallic pan, and I'm just adding that onto the ampersand here so that it is also gold and glittery. So once you're done with this, just leave it aside to dry and move on to the next step. Next, I've already put some gold pattern paper on my cut base, and I'm grabbing this Nuvo Dream Drops in gold as well, and just adding a simple dotted border at the top and bottom of my card. So once everything is dried up, just check out how glittery and shiny these things are. I am obsessed. So I've also die cut this Love Bouquet die set by Simon Says stamp with some glitter gold cardstock, and I'm just gonna assemble everything on my card right now. So here is a close-up of the finished card. I love the glam, glitz, and glitter on this wedding card. I hope you enjoy this technique, and thanks for watching. Bye!